make sure. Where's Marco at?
He at the store returning the grinder. What's up? He's here since like 11, I think.
Yeah, I had to come from Kyle, that's why it took me so long.
Damn, nice.
Hold this.
The Rams came in clutch.
Yeah. We might, I don't know if we have any,
Jerks.
no, 2x4s or something, because I mean, this car's kind of low.
Yeah, I have blocks, I guess. So. We just leave the Rams here first. So part 2 of the maintenance right now, we're gonna do oil change on the 370Z. And first step, well, Dakota got these Rams. So we're gonna try to drive up the low life.
That shit
and
sucks.
go up the ramp.
That shit sucks.
I wanted to try. Shut up, F-150.
I'm helping.
Oh, same here.
Yeah, keep going. Go.
Keep going, you're good.
Oh, you're so close.
That splitter. I'm a little afraid of the splitter because the splitter is up like that.
Yeah.
I'm a little afraid.
The block cracked on this side.
Shut up.
The block crack?
Yeah.
You could very stop.
Yeah,
Well, I
just
mean,
go
hold
for
on,
it, Luke.
because like this is gonna hit here, so there's no way he's gonna get his tire up here unless we take off that split. Because like,
Let's
look
see
at
if we
it.
can try to.
If he gets his tire up here, he has all this room. So how?
No.
Oh,
Slowly hot. Because like over
See, look.
this.
Yeah, because you have all this room right here.
Yeah.
So when you get this wheel up here, it's gonna.
Yeah.
It's
Afraid of
gonna-
that. The splitter.
Hold on, I
catching
got
on
this.
Yeah. I think.
Should we just old school way jack it up and then?
Yeah.
Hey Marco, I think we can put this in the rears instead. So we roll up this. So we roll backwards, reverse up into this thing, and then we jack up the front. Let's try that again. So this time Marco's gonna flip around. Hit it.
All right.
Alright.
Stop.
Yeah.
I would have brought my jack, but still in my friend's garage.
Nah, I suck here, bro.
Right now, got the 370Z all jacked up.
You want to see how fast you just raise the back end and start stomping on the gas.
Oh lord. Yeah, dude, that'd be fucking tight.
Earlier on, we went to
I've always
AutoZone
wanted
to
to
pick
do
up some
that.
products.
I
So we
almost
got
did it at Infinity because they had it raised up. and it was
Mobile
all the way
one.
down, and I was like, oh my god. And I got in the car and I was
5W30
just like-
motor oil, 5
I wanted to go
quarts, and then also
wonder how
the
fast
K&N
this shit
oil filter to change it out.
Feels the jack's fault.
And since we're doing it ourselves, we need like a little pan or catch can. So we got this from AutoZone as well.
It's Formula One.
What? Good thing nothing bad now. I'm facing this brick wall.
Alright, I got it. Fuck, that shit hurt.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
There's nothing funny about the funny bone.
Shut up, asshole.
See, I had to do the same thing, but imagine instead of like a ratchet, I had to use a torque wrench. So every other turn, I had to completely take it
Yeah,
off.
I got it. You go ahead. But be careful because they'll shoot out.
I know. That's why I'm like 3, 2. Do it fast, do it fast, do it fast.
Oh shit! My eye.
All that black stuff.
I got it.
Pause. Justin.
I'll go get the torque wrench.
Ah, man, watch. Oh, okay.
The whole other thing. Said the same thing when I looked at myself in the mirror this morning. Wow.
We should do it like that muscle versus turn. Yeah, this is that special filter, high-end NASCAR only. For V8s, but I'm gonna slap it on my V6 because I don't give a fuck.
Because when you're cool like that,
You're just cool like
this
that.
is an extra 200 horsepower. Not a lot of people know about this.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running
After the oil change.
You have it in neutral, right?
First startup.
It's gotta leave her like, I don't know, about 5 minutes. Wait, is this for me? Well, no. It's for the cat. This is your invitation to go find it.
Yeah.
I want this.
Is it that hard for you to open up a fucking fruit roller?
like an outlaw on the run. Take a dangerous but it's so fun.
Like that. Marco finished the oil change on his 370Z. I would say the toughest part is definitely getting the car jacked up just because it's low, but if you have a car lift it makes the whole job a lot easier. So in our case we used jacks and we had ramps, so that took a little while, and then yeah, pretty much just take out the bolt, change the air filter, and process is done.